Joining the ever-growing number of smart cities that have chosen more efficient technology to light their streets and save money in the process, the city of Carpinteria in November 2011 completed its retrofit project by replacing all its existing city-owned high-pressure sodium decorative streetlights with energy-efficient LED post-top pendant bulbs. The lights are located on several blocks of Linden and Carpinteria avenues in the downtown area and include lights on the Amtrak rail platform and its adjoining public parking lots. According to the city's calculations, each of the 199 HPS lamps at 138 watts each consumed 604.4 kilowatts annually, a total of 120,284 kilowatts, and an energy cost of $15,035 at 0.125 per kilowatt, 12 hours of operation each evening. With the switch to the brilliant and more directional LEDtronics 29-watt LED post-top pendant bulbs, the annual energy costs came down to less than $3,160, a dramatic 80% savings. In addition, the LED bulb life is 4 to 5 times longer than the replaced HPS bulbs, resulting in reduced maintenance costs that yield additional savings. In addition to the $11,600 savings on its annual energy bill, this reduction in power usage by 96,000 kilowatts translates into a decrease of its carbon footprint by an estimated 33 tons of CO2 yearly. The city's Parks and Recreation Department installed and maintains the streetlights. Department Director Matthew Roberts is happy with the results. He says the LEDtronics lamps fit into the existing light fixtures with only minor modifications and look great. He says there's a consensus that the new bulbs produce fewer glares, are easier on the eyes, and have a very appropriate color temperature for their needs. The Santa Barbara County City is a coastal community of 13,040 people with small-town charm, beautiful beaches, and breathtaking mountain views. It hosts the annual California Avocado Festival. Roberts says all of the lights installed so far have worked as promised, and it's great to know the streetlights' electrical meters are turning more slowly, saving tax dollars. He says it's also nice to know the products were assembled in the USA. The product was designed and engineered at the LEDtronics factory in Southern California. The project started in early 2010 when the city began to study the conversion of pendant streetlights in its downtown area to LED bulbs that are more energy efficient, cast a more natural warm light, and reduce light pollution. They looked for solutions that were cost-effective, more environmentally friendly, and also more night sky friendly. After testing the LEDtronics LED post-top pendant bulbs for 2 months, the city applied for funds and received $74,117 from the California Energy Commission under the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Block Grants program from the U.S. Department of Energy, which is part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. The bulbs are certified made in the USA. Carpinteria's lighting efficiency project is in line with the California Long-Term Energy Efficiency Strategic Plan, which holds the state's local governments to be leaders in energy efficiency by 2020, both for their own facilities and throughout their communities. The city so far has replaced over 90% of its traditional streetlights with LEDs. According to city officials, the LEDtronics LED bulbs were selected because of their high efficiency, appropriate 3000 K color temperature, and because they fit inside the existing globe diffuser without significant modification. The new LED post-top pendant bulb also allowed for the elimination of the HPS bulb's ballast and starter. Also, LED bulbs produce little or no ultraviolet light, which, as generated by the HPS bulbs along with the high heat, causes the polycarbonate globe diffusers to yellow and become brittle. With longer life for the globe diffusers and reduction of visits to each light by maintenance staff, the 10-year projected cost savings is expected to reach $150,000. This is in addition to the significant energy savings inherent in the LEDtronics long-life energy-saving LED post-top pendant bulbs that the city has already started to enjoy.